I am at the stage of my life where a man takes stock of what he is given and what he has received. I gave this country 40 years of uniformed service. I received from this country in education, a career, the formation of character under difficult conditions, and the privilege of belonging to an institution, the ZDF, that at its best represents something larger than any individual who has served in it. My final word from soldier who has served this country all his life. And both subscribe or like on the bell icon. What I want for this country, what I believe this country's veterans, its serving generals, its farmers, its teachers, its young people, the diaspora and at home, all deserve is a president who has also given before he has taken, who has built before he has extracted, who has led before he has sought to serve. Robert Mugabe built much and then destroyed what he built in the service of his own longevity. Emerson Mnangagwa promised reconstruction and delivered a non-sophisticated version of the same extractive politics. Neither came to power, having made an institutional investment in the country comparable to what General Chiwenga has made. I am not asking Zimbabwe to elect a perfect man. There is no perfect man, and certainly no perfect soldier. I am asking Zimbabwe to consider what kind of formation produces the leadership this country needs at its moment in its history. I am asking what it means to have a president who has spent his life being accountable to something larger than himself. That is what media service at its best produces. That is what General Chiwenga carries. And that after 40 years of governance, that has placed personal and functional interest above national duty is what Zimbabwe most urgently needs. I have saved this country. Now I ask the country to save itself by choosing, for once, a leader whose entire life has been an act of service to it. Retired Lieutenant General Winston Skoke Mapranga. Toma developments are pangwa inependa comment section videos of what kulipa msuri pe muono wake. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.